Okay, so this is the second strategy, okay, that I'm gonna share with you guys. This second strategy involves this indicator. All right, some of you may recognize this indicator. For those of you who can see it, it is actually, but I rename it trend reversal just for my own platform, for my preference, okay, because basically it is, I use it for trading trend reversals, okay. But one thing to note about this indicator is that it repaints, okay. What do I mean by indicators that repaint? Indicators that repaint basically means that they follow the market price and they can show you a signal but then goes back on their signal. So for example, you hear that the market sometimes have false breakout, right? It breaks out of certain resistance or pivot or whatever lines, okay, and then it comes back down, right? So same thing with this indicator or all other repaint indicators. It may give a buy or sell signal, but then as the market moves back, it will repaint backwards. Okay, that means it will show you that, oh no, actually it's not a buy signal. So this is the explanation of how a repaint indicator works. So for repaint indicators, you have to test it through live trading, okay, because the fact that it repaints means if you do back testing like what I'm going to show you today, it may not be very accurate, okay. It may show you more wins than losses, but it still gives you a rough idea of how it works. I will say upfront that this second strategy and indicator, if you want to use, you really have to test it out on demo. Okay, the first indicator, of course, with everything, I would advise you to start off on demo. But the first strategy that I shared with you guys, right? I've shown you the back testing results, right? And it's based on closed results, closed price, closed indicator values, all right? So it will not differ from live trading. Live trading, when I ask you to do demo trading, is more for you to get the hang of it, know when to execute, the trade, how much time you have to execute, and so on, right? But in terms of results, all right, it will not differ. But for indicators that repaint, you have to do live demo trading before you go real money. Okay, so I just want to share with you this, although I have not tested this 100% on live trading. I'm in the midst of it, okay, but I just want to show you through back testing how good this thing works, and then ultimately you can make the decision yourself. All right, okay, so let's jump right in. First green line, okay, when it crosses the zero, the first green line, second green line, the third green line, we go in, okay, we buy. Let me go nearer. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the trigger bar. We go in. This is a bullish bar, right? Okay, let me change for you to view it better. Okay, so if you see the red outline is a bearish bar. If you see the candle is outlined green, is a bullish bar. Okay, basically it means it's an up bar, up candle. Red is a down candle. All right, so we will have one here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the trigger bar. We will have sold it. Okay, it went down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We will have bought it. Okay, 626, the last 3 digit, and 630 is up of 4 points. Okay, it went up 4 points, although it's quite hard to see here, so it's still a win. Okay, in binary options, even 1 point you win. All right, 1, 2, 3, trigger bar, sell. All right, it dropped 1 point. All right, 1, 2, 3, buy. Trigger bar, we buy here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is a trigger bar, we sell. This is a bearish bar, so we won again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, we buy. It goes up. we win. Again, 1, 2, 3, sell. Okay, you get the hang of it. You can just see. All right, I'm just showing you August. All right. Okay, so here I have not plotted it yet. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we will have sold here. 1, 2, 3. See, sometimes we would lose. 1, 2, 3. We will have bought it, right? But it went down, so here we lost. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right, we sell. Here we have win. We have 1. 1, 2, 3. Buy. Okay, we'll have 1. 1, 2, 3. Sell. Alright, we sell, but it went up, so this one we lost. One, two, three. Buy, we have 1. Okay, I'll go a bit faster. Sell, but it went up, so we lost. 1, 2, 3. Buy, it went up. 1, 2, 3. Sell, it went up, we lost. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Buy, we won. Okay, sell, we lost. Don't know what's up with this. We won. Okay, this is I believe here is a 1. There's one line here. 1, 2, 3. Sell, we have 1. Okay, either that or we have lost. If we take this as what, first bar, second bar, and third line, not bar. 2, 3. Okay, here something is wrong. There are so many losses here, but anyway, sell, we have win 1. Win 1. The past tense for win is 1, right? Some people pronounce as 1. I mean, if I say 1, it's quite confusing as well. You think I'm saying 1 as in 1, 2, 3. So for that sake, I will pronounce it as 1. Alright? 1, 2, 3. You have lost. 1, 2, 3. Lost. Something wrong with this. 2, 3. You have won. Lost. Something weird here. Okay. Lost. Lost. This is weird. Won. One, two, three. Won. Okay. Won. Okay, here we didn't take because there's no 3 bars, right? 1, 2, 3. Lost. Okay, so let's continue. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. Down. It's a loss. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Up. This is a win. Down. This is a loss. Up. This is a win. Down. This is a win. This is a loss. This is a win. Loss. Loss. It's quite weird. Win. win, loss, win, loss, win, win, loss, win, 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 loss, win, loss, win. Okay, yeah, that's it, no more already. Okay, alright, so there are many ways to use this. Alright, you can what I've shown you, okay, please keep in mind what I've shown you is based on closed history prices, closed historic prices. It's not the live, because this indicator repaints itself, it's not the live indicators. When you trade it live, it might have a few variations to your trade, alright, and you can have different trading style using this indicator. Alright, once it goes over to green, you can take it 15 minutes up, half an hour up, 1 hour up, end of day up, or whatever. Go and test it out, play around with it. Alright, I'm also in the midst of testing this, and yeah, or you can wait for the indicator to go into green and stay there for one session, meaning if your chart is a 15-minute frame, you can wait for the next 15-minute bar to close, and if the indicator is still in the green, then you can go in and make the trade. Alright, so you can play around with it, or you can, once you see the red indicator start to tilt this way, alright, you can start going in. Okay, so it's up to you when you want to consider your trigger bar and when you want to execute. Alright, all these variables you can play around with. Alright, so as we have seen the results, okay, now for those of you who did not calculate as we go along, no problem. Alright, I have calculated for you guys. It is 33 wins, okay, 33 strikes against 20 losses. Alright, that is, and August is not over. Alright, so I've just tabulated the results thus far for August. Okay, so the score is at the moment 33 over 53. Alright, if you calculate, that is a 62.3% ROI. Okay, profits, alright, not gross, net profit. Okay, and if you work it out, alright, based on $100 trade size for one currency, you would have profited $805. So in dollars and cents, in percentage 62.3%, in dollars and cents $805 per asset per month. So I'm talking 805 is just on one pair of currencies or any assets. Okay, whether you trade gold or oil, this strategy can be used. All right. So as with the other calculations, we have the brokers that I recommend. Okay, have offer up to 20, more than 20 in fact, but let's just take 20 as calculation. All right, 805 times 20, that is $16,100 in just 1 month, in August alone. All right, but okay, if you say come on, I'm not going to trade 20, all right, even if you're talking about 10, all right, 10 assets or currencies, that is around $8,000, right? Even if you talk about the four, the big four, not the soccer clubs, right? The big four currencies, all right? The Euro USD, the Pound USD, okay, the Aussie and USD, the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar, okay. Actually, they are more. Um, I think there are eight um, big currencies, but I mean the top four, the main four would be these few. All right. Even if you're talking about eight currencies, okay, that is around 6,000 plus. If you're talking about just the four main currencies, that is $3,200 per month. All right, just on this. Okay. So yeah, have fun. Please try it out in demo, in live demo. Okay, for this at least for this strategy, try out on live demo. Okay, don't throw your money, your real money at this strategy. All right, test it out. All right, guys. That's all from me. Happy trading. Good luck, and to your profits.